back to Nebula Engineering, where technology and innovation constantly push the boundaries. In today's journey, we'll uncover the fascinating and unexpected story behind the production of steel drums. From simple sheets of steel to the final robust product, these drums are shaped through cutting-edge production lines and colossal machinery, achieving remarkable precision and durability. This isn't just a manufacturing process. It's a testament to the advancement of technology and the meticulous craftsmanship in every detail. Get ready to step into a world of superior technology where power and creativity unite to create the most sustainable and robust products.
Preview.
To begin the journey of creating durable steel drums, the first crucial step is the coil insertion process, the core material of the product. Massive steel coils weighing several tons are transported to the factory using specialized equipment. Here they undergo rigorous inspections to ensure they meet strict standards for thickness, durability, and material quality. Once the inspection is complete, the steel coils are fed into cutting and shaping lines, where advanced machinery processes them with precision. The steel sheets are cut to standardized sizes, ensuring every piece is uniform. These sheets are then rolled and welded securely, forming the drum bodies with strong seams capable of withstanding high pressure and impacts. This foundational stage sets the tone for the entire production process, where cutting-edge technology and meticulous attention to detail come together to create a flawless product. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the next steps in crafting these reliable steel drums. Next, we move into a critical stage of the steel drum production process, where raw steel sheets are transformed into their perfect shape. First, the steel sheets are unrolled and bent, with each piece meticulously processed to ensure precision for the next step. The sheets are then cut and joined, forming a complete cylindrical shape. The seams are welded securely using advanced technology, ensuring exceptional durability. Following this, any discrepancies in the welds are smoothed out, creating a seamless surface that enhances both the aesthetics and quality of the drum. A key highlight in this process is the step where the drum's midsection is rolled and pressed. This not only adds extra strength to the structure, but also ensures the drum can roll easily, making it highly practical for various industrial applications. Next, we move to the critical finishing stage of the steel drum production process, where every detail is executed with exceptional precision and sophistication. The process begins with removing the top and bottom sections of the drum, shaping the product to exact specifications. The edges are then rolled and inlet holes are drilled, ensuring every detail aligns perfectly with its intended use. Once the basic structure is complete, the drum undergoes a specialized chemical treatment, an essential step to prevent rust and enhance durability. Finally, the top is securely attached to the body, and the drum undergoes thorough inspection to ensure it meets the highest quality standards before being ready for shipment. This process exemplifies the seamless integration of advanced technology and expert craftsmanship, resulting in steel drums that are both durable and reliable. In the final stage of steel drum production, the inspection and finishing process play a pivotal role in ensuring absolute quality. Each drum undergoes thorough examination with advanced sensors, detecting even the smallest defects that could impact performance and durability. Once confirmed to be flawless, the drum is sealed with protective closures to completely prevent any foreign substances from entering, maintaining cleanliness and safety throughout the finishing process. Next, the drum is meticulously painted, creating not only a protective layer against corrosion, but also enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Following this, the product is subjected to a heating process to set the paint firmly, ensuring durability under all conditions. Finally, the protective seals are removed, completing a product crafted with precision and outstanding quality, ready to meet the highest standards of the industry. Finally, we step into the stage of interior inspection. a critical step to ensure the flawless quality of each steel drum. Inspection lights are switched on, illuminating every corner inside to confirm that no errors or issues are left behind. This is the moment when the sophistication and precision of the production process truly shine. Once everything meets strict standards, the lid is securely sealed for the final time, and the drum undergoes a final verification step to ensure the finished product achieves optimal quality. This is not just a step in the process, it is a testament to the commitment to perfection that these steel drums embody, ready to meet the most demanding requirements. Steel drums are not just industrial products, but a culmination of advanced technology and meticulous craftsmanship in every step. From raw steel coils to the finished product, each stage reflects precision and exceptional quality. Thank you for joining Nebula Engineering on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you next time.